in front of me SONY Xperia 1.2, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device, just some of them. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then click on keypad, and you will start with the first code. Actually it is the shortest one, but most useful, and it is *# 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with IMEI number and serial number assigned to your SONY Xperia 1 Plus. So if you need your unique numbers, smoothly enter this 5-digit long code, and then you will be provided with the necessary details. Then tap on OK to go back, and the second code, it is *#. It will be the long one, *# 737 8423 *#. And this is the service mode, so you can check here service info and also service tests. Let's start with info, and here you can locate model info, software info, SIM lock, configuration, factory charging, firmware info, Wi-Fi addresses, security, certificates, and also total call time. So if you click on model info, you will find your model right here. Then software info, here you've got all details like phone software version, memory card version, boot version, and so on. Then under SIM lock, you can check the details regarding your SIM lock, configuration, also IMEI number, routing status, security configuration. Under configuration, you've got, okay, so we've been there. Under factory charging, you've got the present level of your battery, firmware info, so basically this is the device details, security. So here you've got device security version, factory reset reason, and key version daemon, so just select it. Verify certificates, so you've got platform, application, media, and also shard. If you pick one, you'll be able to check all the necessary info. And then total call time, so I didn't make any phone call from this phone, but if you have any call history, you will be informed here how long it took. And then we can go to service test, so just click on service test, and here you can test your device. So you can check keyboard, touch, display, LED, speaker, earphone, microphone, vibrator, and so on. Here you've got all the necessary information. And for example, let me show you how to check vibration. Click on vibrator, click on start test, and as you can hear, as I can feel, it is working properly, so we can go back. Then you can check the speaker. Also working properly. If you would like to, you can check display. Just tap on the screen to change the color and check if it's working properly. So as we all can see, the colors are working more than fine. We've got the whole palette. And then you can go back if it's working properly. And then just pick the feature that you would like to test, mark it, and smoothly perform the test operation. So let me go back. That would be all for this service menu. And the last code that we would apply today is testing mode performed by Google, and the code is *# 4636 *#. And as you can see here, you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. Let me start with phone information, and here you've got IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength, data service, data network type, and many other important details. But also this mode allows you to perform a ping test. Just click on run ping test to perform this operation, and that's it. So let's go back. Then you can check user statistics. Just click on user statistics, and here you've got the detailed information about your apps. So if you would like to check, for example, usage time or last time used, here you've got the detail for each app. And the last one here is Wi-Fi information, where you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So let me start with Wi-Fi APA, and here you've got disable networks, disconnected networks, enable networks, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then Wi-Fi configuration, so basically all you have included here are configured networks. And then under Wi-Fi status, just refresh it, you can check the current status of your network, so Wi-Fi state, network state, and hidden numbers, network ID, transmit link speed, and so on. Also, this mode allows you to perform ping test. Just click on run ping test, and here it is. So that will be all. Now we can go back. And these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Use them as often as you want to, as you only need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.